How are you, grade 9? Today we have a new session, solving revision sheet for the third quarter. Today is part 2. Open with me your sheet in page 3. We're going to continue. Okay. Here at the last session we stopped at number 11. Okay. Now I have simplifying negative 6 times negative 6 to the power of 2. We said negative 6, no power means 1, okay? And I have here the same base. Negative 6, it's what? Same base. Same base and times, what I'm going to do with the powers? I'm going to plus them, okay? So here, no power means 1. 1 plus 2, it's equal what? 3. So it's negative 6 to the power of 3. Very good. So it's negative 216. Okay? Okay. Let's complete here. He's telling you to simplify. Simplify means what you're going to do. M power 3, y power 6, m power 2. Which here bases are same base. I have here m power 3 and m power 2, same base. So what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to take them together in a bracket. Then I'm adding the power. Okay, I'm adding the power. Why? Because there is times. Here is what? Times. If I times the same bases, so what I'm going to do with the powers, I'm adding them. So m to the power of 3 times m to the power of 2, it's what? It's m to the power of 5. Very good. Here, y to the power of 6, it will be the same. So my answer will be A. Very good. Here, simplify x to the power of 5 all power negative 8 times x to the power of 4. First, I'm going to finish this part first. Okay? X to the power of 5 negative 8 out. Inside the bracket there is a power, and outside the bracket there is a power. What I'm going to do with the two powers here? I'm going to 2 times. So 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. And x to the power of negative 4. Here x to the power of negative 40 and x to the power of 4 are times. Okay. If I times, what I'm going to do with the powers? Very good. I'm going to add them. Add the powers. So negative 40 plus 4, it will be negative 36. Okay, what the negative will do with the number? It will get it down. It will get the number, whole number, get it down. So it will get x to the power 36 down. Okay, very good. X to the power 36 will get down. Very good. So it's 1 over x to the power of 36. X to the power of 36. Very good, which is B. Okay. Here he's telling me to simplify. Simplify. What I'm going to do, finish each bracket first. Finish what? Each bracket first. Okay, let's finish each bracket first. Here, I have m to the power of 2, n to the power of negative 3, all power 2. So the 2 will go inside the bracket times. Okay, I'm going to times. Here, the powers. I'm going to time the power. Okay, so m to the power of 2 times 2, so m to the power of 4. N to the power of negative 3 times 2, n to the power of negative 6. And I'm going to do the same here. Okay. Power outside and power inside, so I'm going to get the power with times. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. 3 times 3 is 9. What about the negative? Because I have here negative and this is odd, so the negative will be the same with me. Okay, the negative will be the same here with me. Then I'm going to make times. The negative will get outside. Okay, then I'm going to take the m's together, m power 4, m power negative 9, and the n's together, n power negative 6 and n to the power 9. So, here they are times, so I'm going to add the powers. I'm going to add the powers. So 4 plus negative 9 is negative 5. Negative 6 plus 9 is 3. Very good. So I have here negative m to the power negative 5, n to the power of 3. I have here negative power. I will leave it like this. No, the negative power will get the number down here. So negative n to the power of 3 over m to the power of 5, which is A. Very good. Here, simplify. I'm having here 3, same base. I have here 6 and 6. It's same base. What I'm going to do with the power? I'm going to make them minus because here I'm going to divide. If I'm going to divide the bases, same base, so the powers, I will make them minus. But what about this power? 6 power what here? It's 6 power 1. Don't tell me nothing. Nothing means 1, okay? So it will be 6 to the power 3 minus 1. So it will be 6 to the power of what? Power of 2. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Okay? Very good. Here I have what? I want to simplify. First, I must get the power inside. So, what I'm going to do? The y here will be to the power of 3. And the z here will be to the power of 3. Then what I'm going to do with the powers? Y to the power of 6 and down y to the power of 3. What I'm going to do here? Divide. I'm going to minus the power. 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3. Very good. So y to the power of 3. 12 minus 3 is 12 minus 3 is 9. So this is the answer. Very good. Excellent, grade 9. Okay. Now I want to simplify this. How to simplify it? I'm going to get the power inside the whole of this. So the power will go to the 2 and to the m and to down also here and here also. Okay, the power will go to all elements here, all the elements, okay, all the elements. So what I'm going to do? 2 to the power of 4 and m to the power of we're going to finish simplify it first. I have here m to the power of 8 and down m to the power of 2. What I'm going to do up and down means I'm going to make divide. So minus the power. 8 minus 2 is 6. Very good. Now you can get the 4 on the numerator and the denominator. Then the 4, the power here will be to the 2 and to the m. Very good. 2 to the power of 4, 6 m to the power of 6, all power 4. n to the power of 4, all power 4. Power inside and power outside. What I'm going to do with the powers? I'm going to make minus. And here also I'm going to make them minus. Okay. So here 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And here make minus the power, make times the power. I said make times the power. Okay. So 6 times 4 is what? 24. 4 times 4 is 16. So this is my answer, which is B. Okay? Okay, very good. Let's complete. I have to simplify this. As I see that I have a negative power, what I'm going to do with the fraction? I'm going to flip it. So if it's 2 over 4, it will be what? 4 over 2. And the power is 3. Where is the negative? The negative flip the fraction. The negative, what it did? Flip the fraction. Very good. So it's 4 to the power of 3. Get now what? The 3 to the numerator, the power to the numerator and to the denominator. So it's 4 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Divide, it will give you 8, which is B. Okay, Let's complete. Find the degree of the monomial. I have here monomial. Do you remember how to find the degree of the monomial? I'm adding the power of the variables, I have here a variable and b is a variable. And this is one term, it's one term. If it's one term, I'm adding the power. So 7 plus 4 is what? 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, very good. So the degree is 11th degree. Okay, let's complete. Here, number 21, find the degree of polynomial. Look here, it's polynomial, it's not monomial. So what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to get the degree of each term. This is a term, and this is the second term, and this is the third term. The first term here, 3x power 3 y power 6. What I'm going to do? Plus 3 plus 6 is 9. So this term is 9th degree. What about this term? Here 1 and 1. Don't forget, no power means 1. So degree is 2. Here degree is 3. So I have here 9 and 2 and 3. Don't sum them. No, I'm taking the highest. The highest is the 9th degree. Okay? So if I have a polynomial, what I'm going to do? Taking the highest power of a term, of one term. Don't sum the power for all terms. Okay? We sum the powers only for one term. Okay? Very good. Write the polynomial, this, in standard form. Do you remember the standard form? What we said about standard form? Standard form, highest power first. Highest power is first. Highest power is coming first. Look here, which one here is highest power? X to the power of 5. So this is the first term. Okay, negative 12x power 5. Then what? What after it? Power 4. Very good. Then what after it? Power 3. Then what after it? Power 2. Then what after it? Power 1. Then what after it? The factor without any x or x power 0. Okay, very good. And what is the leading coefficient? Leading coefficient is the coefficient of the x with the highest power. What is the coefficient of the x of the highest power here? I have negative 12. Okay, so the leading coefficient is negative 12. So my answer will be what? My answer will be C. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Okay. So negative 12 plus 2x power 4 minus 5x power 3. Okay. Plus 3x power 2 minus 8x minus 6. And the leading coefficient, which is the coefficient of the highest power, is negative 12. Okay, very good. Let's complete here. Classify the polynomial. We're going to classify the polynomial according to its degree and number of terms. 8x. How many terms here? It's only one term. It's only one term. Do you remember the one term we said about it? It's linear. One term means linear. Very good. And linear. Okay, linear monomial. What is the power? What is the degree here? It's first degree. Okay, so the polynomial having the highest degree is of 1 is called linear polynomial, and the polynomial with one term is called what? Monomial. Is called monomial. So this is linear monomial. Linear monomial. So it's what? It's B. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, grade 9. See you next session, please try to solve these exercises by yourself. And if you have any question, you can ask me, send me a message to try to solve it in next video. See you next session.